In the realm of algorithmic trading, the battlefield is not paved with steel and stone, but with code and data. Here, the war is waged not with swords, but with algorithms. Picture a dark, swirling nebula, an intricate dance of thousands of strategies, each one a unique line in a chaotic cloud. Our mission is singular, to outperform the monolithic force of Bitcoin's buy and hold strategy. But we do not begin with precision. Instead, we start with randomness, a primordial soup of strategies, birthed from chaos, each one a fledgling entity fighting for relevance. 50 generations. That's how many cycles of evolution we unleash. Through this accelerated Darwinian process, strategies mutate, adapt, and evolve. They carry the scars of their predecessors' failures, the imprints of past market crashes. Each line in this cloud is a warrior, battling against the indomitable forces of volatility. But why? Why pit these nascent algorithms against the market? Because amidst the chaos, there lies a sliver of order, a pattern waiting to be uncovered. We are not just gambling with numbers, we are pioneering the frontier of financial evolution. The stakes are high. To merely match Bitcoin's meteoric rise is not enough. We seek to surpass it, to find the strategy that not only survives but thrives. Each strategy is subjected to the crucible of historical market downturns. We stress them against the infamous crashes that have humbled even the most seasoned traders. The odds are daunting. Out of this maelstrom, only one strategy emerges, a solitary survivor, honed and hardened by the trials of history. It is the embodiment of resilience, a testament to the power of algorithmic evolution. This is not just code. This is survival. This is progress. This is the genesis of an algorithm capable of standing tall against the tempestuous tides of the market. The journey to tame chaos has only just begun. In the dark heart of algorithmic evolution, we find the genetic algorithm. A relentless force. A method of survival, not unlike nature's own. Visualize a primordial soup of strategies. Each one a blend of code and potential. But only those with the sharpest edge endure. We start with a high mutation rate, a deliberate strategy. Imagine it as a turbulent sea, where waves of randomness crash against the shores of predictability. Here, in this chaos, lies our opportunity. Mutation is not a flaw, it's a feature. It introduces diversity, the lifeblood of innovation. Parameters like entry_Keltner_break, entry_BB_squeeze, entry_BB_break, and entry_RSI_dip are our digital DNA. They are the genes we crossbreed, attempting to craft the ultimate survivor. Through each generation, strategies battle with the market, a gladiatorial contest played out on the graphs of financial history. Visualize a bar chart, each bar a gene. They change rapidly, pulsating with potential. Each generation reflects a new permutation, a new attempt to conquer the market. But the algorithm is ruthless, casting aside the weak. Only those strategies that endure the brutal stress tests, those that navigate the storm of historic market crashes, earn the right to move forward. Weak strategies die. It's a world of unforgiving selection. But with each fallen contender, the survivors grow stronger, more refined. The survival of the fittest logic plays out in real time, a relentless march towards perfection. In this high-stakes game, the genetic algorithm is not just a tool, it's a living, breathing entity. It evolves, adapts, and ultimately, thrives. It is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence, a digital organism striving for supremacy in the volatile arena of finance. This is not just data. It's evolution. It's survival. It's the embodiment of digital Darwinism. And the stakes? They're nothing less than the future of trading itself. In the unforgiving landscape of algorithmic trading, survival demands more than just a good idea. It requires resilience, precision, evolution. We embarked on an audacious journey, crafting not just a handful, but thousands of strategies, each a delicate balance of risk and reward, like seeds scattered into the unknown. But in this digital ecosystem, only the fittest endure. Our process went beyond mere backtesting. We subjected each strategy to the crucible of stress testing, a veritable trial by fire. Here, amidst the chaos of market volatility, 90% met their demise. Their weaknesses exposed. Their assumptions shattered. These failures were not just statistical casualties, they were lessons etched in the fabric of data. Imagine the market as an ocean, each strategy as a ship navigating tumultuous waves. Most vessels capsized under the pressure of Monte Carlo simulations, crumbling as they faced countless iterations of historical crashes, unpredictable tides, and phantom currents. Each simulation a reminder that in trading, luck is a fleeting mirage, only robustness endures. A mere 10% emerged from this tempest, carrying the torch of survival. They weren't just survivors, they were the elite. Strategies honed to withstand the unpredictable, their algorithms like seasoned mariners, steering through the uncertainty with unfaltering resolve. Names appeared in green, signifying their triumph: Quantum Drift, Eclipse Vector, Titan's Edge. More than just nomenclature, they became symbols of victory, each coded line a testament to rigorous adaptation and tenacity. The purge was ruthless, but necessary. For in the world of algorithmic trading, only the strongest algorithms claim the right to sail forward, charting new paths in the relentless pursuit of alpha. In the shadow of towering peaks, amidst the jagged landscape of profitability, lies the secret to our AI's survival. The terrain is unforgiving, and yet, it is here that we map the path of endurance. Our strategy, not content with mere survival, seeks the broad plateaus of profit, a landscape defined not by fleeting victories but by enduring strength. The robustness score, our compass in this financial wilderness, is high. It whispers of stability and resilience. But what does this mean? In the world of algorithmic trading, a high robustness score signifies more than just numbers. It represents an ability to adapt, an immune system fortified against the volatile whims of the market. Imagine this landscape as a 3D mountain map. Peaks may dazzle with their height, but they are often solitary and treacherous. Instead, we seek the stable green plateaus. These are the regions where the parameters hold firm, where profitability does not depend on luck, but on calculated precision. Here, our AI finds its footing, standing strong against the winds of market chaos. The secret lies in the breadth of these plateaus. It's not about reaching the tallest peak, but about finding expanses where the ground remains solid beneath our feet. Each parameter, each decision, is a step on this journey. And with every step, our AI learns, evolves, and becomes more adept at navigating this complex terrain. As we zoom into this stable peak, understand that it is not just a point on a map. It is a fortress built from data, a stronghold where our algorithm not only survives but thrives. The landscape of profitability is vast and ever-changing. But within its contours, our strategy stands, not as a lucky climber, but as a master of its domain. This is not just about surviving. It's about mastering the art of endurance. Voiceover. In the unforgiving arena of the crypto market, where volatility reigns supreme and uncertainty is the only constant, a digital battle unfolds. Our AI strategy and Bitcoin benchmark stand as gladiators, their paths traced by the jagged lines on a relentless chart. The AI, calm and poised, moves with precision. Bitcoin, a tempest of unpredictability, surges and crashes like a storm at sea. This is the heart of our experiment, a real-world simulation, pitting logic against chaos. But here lies the paradox. Our AI strategy, crafted with meticulous care and guided by countless algorithms, stands at a stark 0% return on investment. Its drawdown, an unyielding zero. To the untrained eye, this might appear as a failure. But beneath these numbers lies a profound revelation. Consider the market as a roaring river. Bitcoin, a leaf caught in its furious current, tossed about without mercy. Our AI, however, is the stone, steady, immovable, resisting the forces that seek to overwhelm it. In a world where massive swings can obliterate fortunes overnight, maintaining a solid zero is not merely survival, it is a testament to resilience. This strategy is not about chasing profits at any cost. It's about withstanding the fiercest storms without a scratch. A masterclass in risk management. Like a seasoned chess player foregoing flashy moves for a solid defense, our AI chooses stability over reckless ambition. This is how we tame the chaos. Not by chasing every fleeting opportunity, but by mastering the art of patience and preservation. In this arena, survival is victory. And our AI, unwavering in the face of market turbulence, stands as a quiet champion. Against all odds, our digital gladiator emerges, victorious. The final learning curve, a testament to relentless evolution, arcs gracefully across the screen. It's the story of an AI warrior that started from nothing, a blank slate, and transformed into a master of the market. It fought through chaos, adapted to the unpredictable, and learned from every misstep. And now, it stands before us with a win rate of 56.9%. But what does this number truly signify? In the brutal arena of algorithmic trading, where the average trader barely scrapes by, a win rate of 56.9% represents triumph. Not just over the market, but over the very fabric of randomness itself. This isn't just about beating the market, it's about understanding it. Like a chess grandmaster who anticipates moves before they occur, our AI bot has begun to see patterns in the pandemonium. It's a glimpse into the future, powered by lines of code and endless streams of data. Yet, the question remains, have we truly tamed the beast? Is AI trading the key to unlocking market mysteries? The answer, nuanced as ever, lies in the journey rather than the destination. This 56.9% is more than a statistic. It's a symbol of possibility, of potential, and of progress. The machine has learned. It's no longer merely reacting to the market, it's engaging with it, playing its own game. As we close this chapter, our terminal hums quietly, a digital heartbeat. The AI, ever vigilant, continues its dance with the markets. In the end, it's not just about surviving, it's about evolving. And in this relentless quest for knowledge, we find the true essence of AI trading, an ongoing pursuit of excellence in a world of infinite complexity.